Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Wikicat on Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your App Store and complete the initial setup, securing your recovery phrase. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet with BNB Smart Chain, also known as BEP20. This is crucial for covering transaction fees and for the actual purchase. Make sure you have enough BNB to cover both the token cost and a small gas fee. To get BNB into your Trust Wallet, you can purchase it from a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Once acquired, transfer the BNB to your Trust Wallet's Smart Chain address. Always double-check the network, ensuring it's BEP20 to avoid losing your funds. After the transfer, open your Trust Wallet and verify that the BNB balance is correctly reflected. This step is essential before proceeding to the swap. Now, open the dApps browser within your Trust Wallet. Navigate to PancakeSwap, which is a popular decentralized exchange. Connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. You'll then select BNB as the from currency and Wikicat as the to currency. You might need to paste the Wikicat contract address if it's not listed. Set your desired amount, adjust slippage if necessary, and confirm the swap. After the swap, return to your Trust Wallet. If Wikicat doesn't appear automatically, you may need to add it manually using its contract address. Simply tap the Add Custom Token option and paste the address. Once added, you can verify your new Wikicat balance. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Wikicat. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.